Let's have 60. Square root of 9xy over square root of 3x squared y. This is another example, and it would be helpful if we can simplify this first before rationalizing. So we can rewrite this as the square root of 9xy over 3x squared y, which means we can factor 9. What are the factors of 9? 3x, y. How about 3 is 3, x squared, x, y. Well, it would be helpful if we simplify first. So what can we cancel here? We can cancel 3, we can cancel x, we can cancel y. So what do we have left? That will be squared of 3 over x, which is now equivalent to square root of 3 over square root of x. Rationalize your denominator now after simplifying. What will make this a perfect square root? You multiply it by itself, square root of x, right? So you have square root of x over square root of x. Question is, can you multiply square root of 3 by square root of x? Yes, because they are both radicals. So that will be square root of 3 times x, 3x. Square root of x times square root of x, square root of x squared. But what's the square root of x squared? X. All right, so now we have square root of 3x over x. Question, can you cancel x here? No, because of the same reason that this one is radical and this one is not. 62, you have square root of 5ab squared c over the square root of 10abc. We can simplify this because both of them are radicals with index 2. So this would be 5ab squared c over 10abc. Let's factor this. 5a b squared, b times b times c. Denominator 10, factors of 10 to 5 a b c. Cancel your 5, your a, your b, your c. Therefore, you have square root of b over 2. That's equal to square root of b over square root of 2 multiplied by what? Your denominator square root of 2, right? So you multiply it by square root of 2, square root of 2. Both radicals, so you can multiply b times 2, you have 2b. Square root of 2 times square root of 2, you have square root of 4. And then finally, this one will be equal to the square root of, all right, that will be square root of 2b over 2, right? And you cannot cancel 2 because one of them is radical, the other is not. So the answer will be square root of 2b over